Hello dear students, welcome back to mathematics class. Already you know in previous videos you have learned how to find the HCF by prime factorization method. See here, to find the HCF of the number there are two methods. One is prime factorization method and one more is division method. So in previous videos you learned how to find the HCF of the number by prime factorization method, and we have solved most of the examples from your exercise 2.3, and that is page number 30. In today's class we are going to study about HCF but long division method. Here I am going to solve some of the examples from your exercise 2.3, and that is second main, find the HCF of the following numbers by long division method. So here I took one example from your second main first question. So see here there are three numbers are there, 28, 35 and 49. So here we need to divide with this 28 with this 35. Don't take here biggest number, you need to take this middle number, means this is smallest number, this is bigger, next here this is biggest number. So divide this number with this number. So here you have to solve step 1 and take this 28 and divide with this 35. So here 28 ones are 28. Okay. So here there is a, see here 5 minus 8 not possible, take carry, this becomes 15. 15 minus 8 is how much here? 7, and 3 minus 3 is 0. Again see here remainder is the 7 and you take this divisor here 28. Then tell me 7 how much is 24? 28, 7 4s are 28. So take here 8 minus 8 is 0, 2 minus 2 is 0. I hope you are getting my point. 7 4s are 28, 28 minus 28 is 0. So here where do you get the 0 as a remainder? That divisor we are calling the HCF of the number. Okay. So here HCF is 7, but here one step is over. Here remaining one more digit is there, that is 49. So write here step 2 and divide here 49, and how much I got here? HCF 7. So take here 7 7s are 49. 9 minus 9 is 0 and 4 minus 4 is 0. So see here, therefore the HCF of the number is HCF is 7. Where do you get the 0 as a remainder? That divisor we are calling the HCF of the number. So this is first main question. Next, take one more example. Here I will take one more question from your exercise, and that is 48. Next one is 72. Next 96. So let us find here the HCF of 48 and 72. Okay. So see here, divide this 48, here you write divisor and here you write dividend as 72. Then write here 48 ones are 48. Okay. So here 2 minus 8 not possible, take carry. 2 minus 8 is 4. 7 minus 5 is 2. Okay. Here I got remainder as a 24. Again you take this divisor, take here 48 and 24 2s are 48. 8 minus 8 is 0, 4 minus 4 is 0. Then tell me what is here the HCF of the number? Here the HCF is 24, because here I got remainder as a 0. Okay. Next, here one more number is there, and that is 96. You divide with this 24 because 24 is the HCF of the number. So next take here, write here 96 and write here 24. Then tell me 24 how much is 96? 24 4s are 96. Okay. 6 minus 6 is 0. 9 minus 9 is 0. So here I got 0 as a remainder when the 24 is the divisor. Therefore HCF is 24. So this type you need to solve the examples. See here they given how much total 5 questions. So next one more I will take from your exercise and that is C1. So take here, what is there? 121, next 33, next 605. So here I need to divide this number with this second highest number. So let us take here 33 divided by 121. So take here 33 and here you take 121. So let us check whether the 121 is there in 33 table. No. So smallest number is 99. So 33 3s are 99. So take here 11 minus 9 is 2 and here 2 minus 9 not possible. Again you take carry. 12 minus 9 is 3. 3 minus 1 is 2. Okay, so 1 minus 1 is 0. Here I got remainder as a 22. Again what I need to do here, take here 33 and divide with this number. So 22, how much is here? 22 2s are 42, 44 will come. So directly you take 22 1s are 22. 3 minus 2 is 1 and 3 minus 2 is 1. So here again I got remainder as 11. Again you take here what is their dividend? 22. Okay, so 11 2s are 22. 2 minus 2 is 0. 2 minus 2 is 0. So tell me here what will be the HCF? Yes, here I got remainder as a 0 means the 11 is the HCF. So next what we need to do here, remaining digit what is there? 605. You divide with this 11. So take here 605 divided by 11. Okay, so tell me here what will come here? 6 is smaller, then I need to take here 60 and take here 11 6 is 66. So I will take here 11 5 is 55. So here 0 minus 5 not possible. Take carry, it becomes 10. 10 minus 5 is 5 and 6 minus 6 is 0. Again you need to take this 5 down. Then tell me here, then 11 how much is 55? 11 5 is 55. 0, 5 minus 5 is 0. Again 5 minus 5 is 0. Therefore HCF is 55. HCF is 11, not 55. The HCF is 11. So this type you need to solve the example. See here you need to know the first which one is the smallest number and which one is the greatest number. You need to divide the smallest number with the nearest means bigger number. Next whatever you get the divisor here means that divisor is the HCF of the number. Again you need to divide with the biggest number. I hope you are getting my points. For this you need more practice. First of all, while you are solving the whichever examples I have solved, practice that examples, then you go to your exercise examples. Okay, so let us take one more example from your exercise and that is D1. D. So what is there? See question. The question is 310. Next here 420 and 525. So see here 310, 420, 525 is there. You need to check here which one is the smallest number. So here smallest number is 310. So call it as a step 1. Let us see the HCF of 310 and 420. Okay, so take here 420. So here I will get 320 to the biggest number. So directly take here 310 ones are 310. So 0 minus 0, 2 minus 1 is 1, 4 minus 3 is 1. Okay, so here 110 is there. Again here I got remainder as a 110. You divide with this divisor 310. Next here 110 2s are how much will come here? 220. So I will take here 2s are 220. 0 and 1 minus 2 not possible, take carry. 11 minus 2 is 9, 3 minus 3 is 0. Again you take here 110. Okay, so here 92s are the biggest number will come here, so again I will take 90 1s are 90. Okay, so see here 0 minus 0, 11 minus 9 is 2, 1 minus 1 is 0. Again I got here remainder as a 20. Until you have to divide, you will not get a remainder as a 0. You have to continue the dividing the number. So 20 is there. Again I need to take this 90. So 20 4s are 80. Okay, so 0 minus 0, 9 minus 8 is 1. Again you divide with this 20. So how much will come here? See here 10 2s are 20 and 0 0. So finally here I got 0 as a remainder. So the HCF is 10. Then next you need to divide with this 525. Okay, so see here next here you take 525. Next here see here what is there? Here I took 10 as a what? Divisor. So again you divide with this 10. This is step 2. Step 2. Then divide here 10 5s are 50. 10 5s are 50 and 2 minus 0 is 2. 5 minus 5 is 0. Again you take here 5 and divide with this. What to do here next? Here 525 is there. See here. Then 5 5s are 20. Here 10 2s are 20. Okay, 5 minus 0 is 5, 2 minus 2 is 0. Again you take here this 10. Okay, so 5 2s are 10, 0, 10 minus 10 is 0. Then tell me here the HCF is 5. Why? Because here I got 0 as a remainder when the 5 is the divisor. So see here this is the finding what the HCF of the number by long division method. See here for this you need more practice, solve each example 2 to 3 times. Okay, I hope you are getting my point. So here total 5 examples are there. Among them I have solved here 4 examples. Okay, so here one you do as a homework. Okay, so each example you solve 2 to 3 times, then only you come to know how to solve these examples. Okay, I hope this class is clear to you. Thank you.